and you know, give us a like. We're not even gonna, you know, if you liked it or not. No, just click like and woo, boost us. All right, guys, I'm gonna get you updated real quick and show off. The old Chevy is getting ready to go into the shop. Got some help. I'm gonna test the winch out real quick. I'm gonna set you guys up a little bit back out of it all, but so that you can still see it hopefully the best I can, get enough angles of it. But first we're gonna do a pull test for the winch, make sure the anchor I made a real quick anchor. I don't know if it's gonna hold. I'm just kind of crossing my fingers, try and set you guys up. I know you're in the back far corner here. Let's see what we can do. Be patient. Fibbing me. Give me a high five and then go wait by your mother. He was eating the grass. He was eating the grass when I ran him over. Give me a high five and go wait by your mother. Thank you.
Things are moving pretty easy. Moving really easy. And you're just in neutral at this point.
Why did he pull that?
Because he won't listen to his daddy. Daddy's telling him to anchor to that beam in the back of the shop. He won't.
But I'm going for the easy route first.
And the easy routes never work.
Has it stopped moving yet? Ah!
I tried to warn you. You just being so stubborn. Yeah, there's a beam back there. Yeah.
Just so we get the full what just happened. It didn't hold.
I want that.
But
To pull it.
technically, I mean, see, those are the only casters that lock. So I was gonna turn it sideways so it'd do all this movement that it's doing already been done and then try and pull. But yeah.
Daddy.
So what's up? Here, just talk to the people. Here, whatever. Yeah, whatever. There you go.
What button is it?
Hit the bottom one. No, hit the top one.
Oh, it's gonna go into the house now.
Keep going.
Me?
Yeah. No, the other one. That's good.
Walking up in the winch. There's no weight on it.
Okay, hit the bottom one. Hold it. All your muscles. Okay, because every time it keeps kicking the winch in and out, it's a lot of draw. Thank you, you did good.
Oh, it says in.
Yours does it?
Oh, light checker. The battery's good. I better get way up there. No way to go interfere.
Oh, still having issues. Yeah, right. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, I'll get back to you with plan number 2. Okay. All right, back with you guys. My infinite wisdom failed me. Well, actually, it was mostly high hopes that all this weighed enough somehow that it wouldn't slide with the big old 77. But just pull in there on the Jeep, pulled it back. So the original wanted to use something. He found this later. Later he finds this and he's laughing. He's laughing at me. He's going, see, I told you had everything we needed. So basically could have just like did something like that, 2 bolts or something, some weird stuff like that. Yeah. But anyway, that's what we come up with right there. Pilot it, a little under a quarter for the drill bit, ran it in. So we're gonna move the Jeep out of the way, pull the pickup the best we can to the front here, then put the Jeep back there, and try and winch the pickup back into the hole. Again, I'm gonna try and find a spot that covers it. The best of everything is a wide camera. Do this at home. This is totally acceptable every way. Make sure you have kids, too, in your way. It only goes fast with the All right, enjoy the show. Oh, it looks beautiful in the shop. Get some excitement. We're gonna do a parts inventory too. So what we have on it, what we need to do. It's good, I'm getting excited. Pumped. It's been sitting outside. This is the first time it's been stored in over 8 years. Something to be excited about. It's my baby. It's the first time I've put it under a real shelter. Means love. Yeah, I got a freezer coming, but I'm pretty happy about the space I left him. All right, any last words? I mean, honestly, let's just face it. I think he forced me to do the whole D-ring thing there on the ground, and I was just gonna keep kind of trying weird things. But we did it.
I'm gonna have to get my steering wheel back.
No, that's mine.
No.
That's mine.
Goes in my hot rod.
No, that's my steering wheel. My brother got me a steering wheel for my birthday.
Identical to mine.
Right there.
I used to have.
It was O'Reilly's back before they were whatever, I think. It was Shucks. What? No, it is Shucks or it was Shucks? What? It was Shucks. My brother went in. I was a kid. Of course, it's on my older rig, and he got that for me. It's fantastic. Got a lot of work to do this. We'll be releasing more videos. I want to get you guys pumped with it pulling into the shop. We'll do an inventory on the parts I have for it. Like I said, we've got lots of parts. I got to go through basic things. This thing is not streetable. I got to do all the brakes, drop the fuel, fix the sensors. I got a wobbly. One of the tanks bounces around. Basically your standard everyday startup stuff, front to rear. All the seals are out on it. I mean, this thing's literally sat for, oh man, when did it sit? So in and out of military service, I petered it around, but then I just disappeared, and it sat, and it's had some car covers put on it. It's never been stored like this. Tonight it's gonna sleep well. We'll get in on it when the time comes. Yeah, beautiful exhaust. Ah, man, anyway. All right, one day we'll hear that too. Thank you for watching. And as always, anything you do, make sure you do it with a smile and you do it unprofessionally. All right, see you guys.
That's good.
Okay, and give us a like. We're not even gonna, if you liked it or not. No, just click like and boost us till our next video. All right, see you then.
Love you. Bye.
GoPro stop capture. GoPro stop capture, bitch.
In conclusion, children. In conclusion, children.
All right, you guys.
Anyway, I
fix
showed
that.
you how to do it.
Okay, yep. Not the way you were flattening
was I
the.
supposed to be
the-
watching?